Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locating studs and marking the fireplace and TV center lines. This sets the structural layout. Once done, verify clearances for gas and electrical so you avoid rework and get permits if required. Next, cut and install 2x for top and bottom plates, then assemble the vertical studs. Make sure to add horizontal blocking where the TV mount and mantle will fasten. This first framing creates a solid skeleton. It controls alignment and load paths for everything that follows. Now you install the fireplace into the framed opening, fastening per the manufacturer so the unit sits plumb and stable. This prevents heat migration and future gaps. Then run electrical and low-voltage cables and route venting or gas lines with proper clearances. Make sure to use chaseways and protect wiring with conduit where it passes near heat. Once utilities are set, insulate and install cement backer or fire-rated substrate to provide a stable, heat-resistant surface ready for the finished material. You finish the face with your chosen cladding, working from the center out and ensuring seams and grout are neat. Once cured, install the mantle and trim so they match alignment lines. Next, mount the TV to the pre-installed blocking, route cables through the in-wall power and HDMI kit, and plug in while respecting fire safety inserts. Finally, test the fireplace and all detectors, confirm clearances, and inspect for drafts or heat discoloration. If overheating or gaps appear, shut off power, reseal edges, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.